This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lori Huddleston. Check out this beautiful well-maintained home on the Currituck Sound located in Currituck Landing neighborhood. Sound front views. One-level living with full bonus room and bath over garage. Open floor plan, office, gourmet kitchen, eat-in kitchen, formal dining room, formal living room, family room, sunroom, laundry room, walk-in attic, whole house vacuum, tile, and custom hardwood floors, fireplace in master bedroom and family room. Community with amenities, boat launch, tennis clubhouse, and playground. For more information, review the details below.